Hello everyone, I'm Salman Roman Rongon and you are watching my channel The Tech Master BD. And now today I'm gonna show you how to check your PC's configurations. So you can check your graphics, RAM and your PC details. So first task is the basic information. So go to on your my computer icon and click on properties. Then you can here get some information about your PC, processor, display, memory, system, lots of things. After that you can check your PC's original memories. Go to run and write dxdiag. Okay, then okay. Click OK. After that, DirectX diagnostic tool is here. Check it, the data. So this is the summary of your system. Display name AMD Radeon HD 6570. So total you can hear the memory drops. Memory is here. Sound. System. Here is the detail, memory, data, processor, hardware. Then the normal and easy way to install the software. Here, Spacey. You can download this software, is free from file for software Spacey, SPECCY. So install it. Okay, just analyze seeing your PC's configuration. So useful and easy to check your PC's configuration. You can hear RAM, modem, everything what you want. PC is hot or cold, graphics. So this is somebody. So this is the way how you can check your PC's configuration. So thank you very much for watching, and if you like this video then please like this video and please subscribe my channel and please share this video. If you have any questions please comment in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching.